हॅलो चिल्ड्रन, आज काय तुम्हाला माहिती आहे का? आज आहे वटपौर्णिमा. वटपौर्णिमा या शब्दातच त्याचा अर्थ दडला आहे बरं का. वट आणि पौर्णिमा. आजच्या पौर्णिमेला वटाची म्हणजेच वडाच्या झाडाची पूजा करतात. अनेक स्त्रिया वडाच्या झाडाभोवती धागे गुंडाळतात, कारण आपल्या नवऱ्याला दीर्घायुष्य मिळावं म्हणून. म्हणजेच काय, तर या वडाच्या झाडाच्या भोवती जास्तीत जास्त वेळ घालवतात. का? कारण माहिती आहे का तुम्हाला? कारण वडाचं झाड हे सगळ्यात जास्त म्हणजे 60% ऑक्सिजन तयार करतं. आणि ऑक्सिजनची तर आपल्याला गरज असते, हो की नाही? जगण्यासाठी सगळ्यात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट कुठली असते, तर ऑक्सिजन. आणि तो ऑक्सिजन आपल्याला सगळ्यात जास्त वडाच्या झाडापासून मिळतो. म्हणून ह्या दिवशी सगळ्यात जास्त सगळीजण ह्या वडाच्या भोवती राहण्याचा प्रयत्न करतात. आता आपण अजूनही आता वडाच्या झाडाला काय म्हणतात तुम्हाला माहिती आहे? इंग्लिशमधून वडाच्या झाडाला म्हणतात बॅनियन ट्री. आता आपण ह्या झाडाबद्दल अजून जास्त माहिती घेऊयात. ओके. बॅनियन ट्री इज द नॅशनल ट्री ऑफ इंडिया. It is a very huge tree which expands over a very large scale. Banyan tree can live up to several hundred years. The leaves of these trees are glossy and large. Banyan tree found more in India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. Its fruits are very small and round in shape. Banyan tree has also a medical value. This tree, also called as traditional and ancient tree. Now Lavanya Miss will show you how to plant the banyan tree.
Good morning children. Sheetal teacher already told you the importance of banyan tree. See, this is banyan tree, okay? Today is Vatapurnima, so today we will plant a banyan tree. Madhura teacher will plant a tree and then I will explain it, okay? See children, this is banyan plant. This is pot and this is soil, okay? First put some soil in the pot, then take plant. Then gently remove plastic. Slowly, okay children? Gently you have to remove the plastic, okay? Then put a plant middle of the pot. Then add some soil, okay? Slowly, slowly. Then fix it in the pot. After that, water the plant, okay? Slowly, slowly. Okay, so children, at home plant one tree. Don't have banyan tree at home, you can plant any medicinal plant, okay? And if you don't have any plant, you can sow it, okay? Plant needs to grow water, air, sunlight and soil.
Good morning, my name is Dhananjay Patil. I am in senior KG lower class. Today I am going to tell you about औदुंबर tree. औदुंबराचे झाड आपल्याला 24 तास ऑक्सिजन देते. औदुंबराचे झाड स्वतः वाढते. हे झाड गुरुदत्तांचे आवडते आहे. थँक यू. Everyone, my name is Otrobiyat Burse. My school name is DES Lee Primary School. My class name is Senior KG class. Today, I talk about the pimple tree. Pimple tree is Indian tree, also known as My name is Avni Amit Savant. Today I am going to talk about amla. Amla, also known as gooseberry, in India it is considered sacred tree. Amla is loaded with nutrients and is the natural source of vitamin C. Amla helps to improve digestion and relieve acidity. Amla is called winter superfood. It enhances our immunity. Amla balances 3 doshes: Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Amla is good for hair, skin and eyes. Good morning all. My name is Shlok Prasad Gadam from Senior KG Lotus class. Today I am going to speak on importance of neem tree. Neem tree is very useful for our health. Each and every part of neem tree is used in Ayurveda for medicine. Neem tree purifies air in atmosphere. Neem leaves are also used as immunity booster. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Ojay Prasad Tekar. I am telling you importance of Nilgiri tea. Nilgiri tea is very big tea. This is a medicinal plant. त्याच्या पानापासून सुगंधी तेल बनतं आणि त्या तेलापासून आयुर्वेदिक औषध बनतं. त्याच्याने इसेन, परफ्यूम असं काही काही बनतं. आणि निर्गिलीचं झाड हवा शुद्ध करते. या ब्युटिफुल झाडाला आपण प्रोटेक्ट केलं पाहिजे आणि मोठे केलं पाहिजे. थँक्यू.
Hello everyone. My name is Amara Rohit Padar. My topic is tamarind tree. Tamarind tree is a huge and very green tree. It gives us pod-like fruit. It has it is sarin taste. Is used in various cuisines all over the world. It has many medicinal uses. It gives us share in sun. Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Arjun Ungargade, Junior KG Lily class. Today I am telling you about apteki pan. Apteki paste is used to cure headache. Fresh raspberry is used to cure cough. Apteki tree leaves is symbol of good and good health. अश्वानंत कह कशास्तु हिमपित्त कफापः मधुर शीत संग्रही दाह तृष्णा प्रमेहोजित. Hello everyone, my name is Manasvi Kiran Shinde. I am going to tell you about apteki The apta tree is known as lily leaf tree. Its scientific name is Baumea racemosa.
It is a
Small fruit with big dropping branches. Flowers come between January and May. On the orchid on the Shera, this leaves the exchange as a goal. Wishing prosperity and happiness. Thank you and bye. Bell is the big plant. God Shiva lights bell leaf. Bell syrup is a good medicine. Bell fruit's color is green. Bell syrup is a good medicine. बेल ट्रीला बिलवा असे देखील म्हणतात. My name is Akhil Vaibhav Sumanta, Junior KG Lotus Skies. I am telling you information Parijata tree. Parijata, known as Night Jasmine, it is Ayurvedic tree. Different flowers used to make Ayurvedic and medicine. Joint pain, cough, sciatica, and Rakshasa. This flower is used to make an agarbatti and scent. This Raj Krishna favorite flower. This tree appears from Samudra Manthan. We get yellow color from the flower used to dye the clothes. फुलांचा पडतो सडा अंगणात. प्रति प्राजक्ताची फुले. Planta tree. Save tree. Thank you.
Trees save nature.
Children, tree is a need of an hour. So plant a tree and get oxygen free.